Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. I want to make a quick video on this WorkPro adjustable wrench multi-tool that I just picked up yesterday. Came in the mail. Next day delivery from Amazon. Thing normally sells for 15 bucks. It's currently on sale for 10, but then we have a 50% promo code, so $5 free shipping for Prime members. Now that's not going to always be the deal, but as of the 15th of January, that is what we have. And since I got it in hand and the promo code was still working, I thought we would take a quick look at this tool because I was actually kind of impressed with it. It's like a legitimate tool. I was kind of worried there'd be some flimsy, not good thing, but it's actually all right. So it weighs about 11 ounces. The overall length on this thing is about 6¼ inches. You can see it's an adjustable wrench here. We'll see how wide these jaws open up. Get my handy dandy Harbor Freighter here. Oh man, the battery, no, okay, I thought the battery was dead. That is 0.82. Give me a fraction, sucker. We'll go metric since most of you like metric anyways. It's almost 21 millimeter. And then looking at what it's got in here, we got a file with a slotted screwdriver end on it. We have a saw blade. Bottle opener with a Phillips bit on the end. And lastly, a little knife. So someone who purchased this said they are using it for their bug out bag, which is a great idea. Keep it in your car. I can't do two things at once. I had to screw that in before I could talk anymore. I think if you were like a cyclist, if you ride a bike, this would be really handy in case you had to do like a minor repair while out on the road. And one thing I was just kind of interested about was the saw blade. So I real quick ran down and got me a deck board. Now, granted, this probably isn't your first option when having to cut this thing, but we just want to see. Making a mess. Alright, you get the idea. We made a nice little mess there. Hey, it works. So there's a quick look at the WorkPro adjustable wrench multi-tool. I'll put a link down below if it is something you are interested in. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.